Hello! Ako po si Daisy. So, my co-seniors, kumusta na po kayo? Gusto kong i-share sa inyo how to take care of ourselves properly at the age of 60 and up. Pasensya na sa ingay ng aso. So, ano ang mga essentials para mapalagaan natin ang ating sarili? Number 1, proper hydration. Dapat uminom tayo ng tubig, umaga, tanghali, gabi. Akala po kasi natin hindi tayo nade-dehydrate. Think natin we will not be dehydrated. Pero the truth is, as we age, nagkakaroon tayo, madali tayong ma-dehydrate. So, drink plenty of water na kaya mo. Kasi, pagka hindi ka uminom, magkakaroon ka ng chronic mild dehydration. But if adequate ang hydration mo, proper, gaganda ang iyong cognitive function, ma-avoid ang dementia, hindi ka magkakasakit sa bato, magre-regulate ang blood pressure mo, at maiiwasan ang urinary tract infection at dementia. So, number 2, ano ang kailangan pa? Morning sunlight. We need morning sunlight 10 to 15 minutes a day para magkaroon tayo ng good sleep quality, hormone production, vitamin D, a better sleep, and it strengthens our immune system. Number 3 is stay socially connected. Hindi ko naman sinabi magmarites tayo. Pero stay connected. Talk and talk. Talk to your apo, talk to your neighbors, talk to your friends, talk to video calls. It gives you necessary social connection, right? It avoids isolation and chronic loneliness. And in doing so, when we continue talking and socializing, we maintain emotional bondness, and it if you isolate yourself, you will have stress, loneliness, which will result in damaged cardiovascular system, and magkakaroon ka ng dementia. So if you make daldal and daldal, maiiwasan ang dementia, and your brain function will improve if you will have meaningful conversation, and your social cognitive will boost, and also will boost your immune system, and you will feel younger. Napakalaking bagay ng pagiging madaldal. And number 4, napaka-important is balance exercises. Ano ba to? Yung titingkayad ka, ibebend mo yung knees mo, and you will try to raise your foot left and right, sideways and frontways, and tuturo ko po yung exercises na yan. Yan yung mga balance exercises for prevention of falls, para maiwasan natin yung nalalaglag, nadudulas, nababalanse natin yung ating katawan. Kasi pag nagkakaedad na tayo, madalas tayong bumabagsak. And number 5 is to eat protein. Every single meal, magkaroon tayo ng protein. Ano-ano ang mga proteins na ito? Eggs, chicken, nuts, fruits, pork, fish, and yogurt. Napakaganda sa katawan ng protein. And number 6, magkaroon tayo ng deep breathing exercises. Bakit napaka-importante ng deep breathing exercises? Kasi it activates our nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system. May proper deep breathing po we need it. And if you have deep breathing, especially in the morning, in the afternoon, and before sleeping, it reduces blood pressure, it improves sleep quality. It avoids stress and bumabata ka. If you will do deep breathing. So, paano ba yung deep breathing? Take a deep breath in 4 seconds. Maintain mo yung 4 seconds ulit. And exhale. Yun yung tinatawag na deep breathing. Hindi lang po siya basta paghinga. That's deep breathing. 4, 4, 6. Inhale 4. And then, control it for 4 seconds. Exhale 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's deep breathing. And then, maintain sleep schedule consistently. Huwag kang magpupuyat po tayo. Kailangan po natin ng proper sleep. Proper sleep schedule. Maintain it. Kung alas 9 ka natutulog gabi-gabi, maintain it gabi-gabi yon. We need that. And while we're sleeping, in deep sleep, we refer ourselves and consolidate memories and regulate our sleeping habits and reduce dementia. Yun, naiwasan ng dementia and prevent cognitive decline. And it also repair tissues while we're sleeping. So, ang laking bagay po ng mga ito sa ating pangangalaga sa ating sarili. Right? So, number 1 is proper hydration. Number 2 is we need morning sunlight. Number 3 is we need stay socially connected. Number 4 is balance exercising. Number 5 is eat lots of protein. Number 6 is deep breathing exercises. And number 7 is maintain sleep schedule consistently. So, napakalaking bagay po. So, ayan, take care of ourselves, my co-seniors, para healthy tayo and happy always. I love you po.